welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain supersonic waves and applications of shock waves, which comes under the chapter Oscillations and Waves of module number 1 of Engineering Physics prescribed by VTU. Now let us go to the following points. So here we are going to discuss about what are supersonic waves, what is Mach angle, shock waves and applications of shock waves. Now let us go to supersonic waves. So supersonic waves are those waves which travels at the speed greater than the speed of sound. Whenever an object moves at a speed greater than the speed of sound, then the mechanical waves produced by it is considered as a supersonic wave. The characteristics of supersonic wave is the Mach number associated with supersonic wave is greater than 1, and the amplitude of vibration produced by the supersonic wave is observed to be very large, and they distract the body, that is distract the object through which it is penetrating or through which it is passing. And here is a diagram for an object moving with supersonic speed. The sound waves produced by it is observed to be lagging behind it, as shown in the picture. And what is Mach angle? The number of common tangents drawn to expanding sound waves from a body moving with supersonic speed. A cone that will going to be formed, that cone is considered as Mach cone, and the angle made by tangent with the axis of cone is known as Mach angle. So the Mach angle is expressed as mu is equal to sine inverse 1 by m, where m is Mach number associated with the object moving with supersonic speed. And if we look at hypersonic waves, they are all moves with supersonic speed and their Mach number is greater than or equal to 5. So when we look at this picture, so there will be a cone produced and the corresponding angle, if we calculate, that is nothing but mu, known as Mach angle. So Mach angle is given by mu is equal to sine inverse 1 by m, and for hypersonic waves the value of m is greater than or equal to 5. So this is what about Mach angle. And transonic waves are a type of waves for which the Mach number is in between 0.8 and 1.2. So if you look at different waves, when an object moves at subsonic speed, the Mach number is less than 1, and when a speed of the object is equal to speed of sound, then Mach number will be equal to 1. Whenever the speed of object is greater than the speed of sound, then the Mach number will be greater than 1. For transonic waves, the Mach number is ranges from 0.8 to 1.2, and for hypersonic waves, the Mach number is greater than 5. So this is what the data associated with different types of waves. So what are shock waves? Any fluid that propagates at supersonic speeds gives rise to a shock wave. Shock waves are produced in nature during the earthquake and when lightning strikes. When velocity of a body increases from subsonic to supersonic, we can hear the booming sound of shock waves. It is called shocking boom. So this is what the discussion about the shock waves. And when we look at the application of shock waves, it is used in preserving wood, so wood preservation. By using shock waves, chemical preservatives in the form of a solution could be pushed into interior of wood samples such as bamboo, etc., so that the life of wood become increased. So here, by making use of shock wave, the preservatives in the form of liquid injected into the wood sample, so that the lifetime of wood sample will be increased. And the second point is kidney stone treatment. Shock waves are used to shatter the kidney stones into small fragments, after which they are passed out of the body, that is through the urinary tracts. So for treating kidney stones, shock waves are used. So using shock waves, we can make kidney stones into a fine powder, and that powder will come out of the body through urinary tract smoothly. This is the another application of shock wave. And the next application is shock waves assisted needleless drug delivery. So by making use of shock waves, drug can be injected into our body without needles. So drug is filled into cartridge, kept pressed on the skin, and shock wave is sent into body with high pressure, and hence the drug enters the body directly through the porosity of skin without any pain for the patient. So without using needle, we can inject drug with the help of shock wave. And shock waves are used to treat dry borewells. So shock waves sent through dry borewells and clear the blockages and rejuvenates the borewell into water source. So the blockages were all cleared with the help of shock waves, and hence we can rejuvenate the borewell into water source. High temperature chemical kinetics, and also it is used to treat brain damages, and also it is used in material studies, that is the effect of sudden impact pressure, blast, protection materials, etc. So these were all some of the applications of shock waves. And we are having a problem here. The distance between two pressure sensors in a shock tube is 150 millimeter. The time taken by a shock wave to travel this distance is 0.3 millisecond. If the velocity of the sound under the same condition is 340 meter per second, find the Mach number of the shock wave. So here the value of distance between the pressure sensor is 150 mm, that is x is equal to 150 mm or 150 to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter, and time taken by the shock wave to travel this distance is 0.3 millisecond or 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds, and the velocity of sound is given as 340 meter per second. So what is the Mach number of the shock wave? So velocity of shock wave is given as x by t, and Mach number is nothing but velocity of shock wave by velocity of sound. Therefore m is equal to x by at. So x value is 150 millimeter, and a and t values are also be given. So by substituting all these values, we can able to calculate the value of m as 1.471. So this is what the solution for the given problem. The second problem, the distance between the two pressure sensors in a shock tube is 100 millimeter. The time taken by a shock wave to travel this distance is 100 microseconds. If the velocity of sound under the same condition is 340 meter per second, find the Mach number of the shock wave. So given the distance between the sensors is 100 mm, convert that into meter by multiplying with 10 to the power of minus 3, and time taken by the shock wave to travel this distance is 100 microseconds, that is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6 seconds, and the velocity of sound is 340 meter per second. So velocity of shock wave is given as x by t. So after calculation, the velocity of shock wave is 100 meter per second, and further the Mach number m is equal to Vs by A, that is velocity of shock wave by velocity of sound in the same area, that is 1000 by 340. On simplification, the value of m is equal to 2.941. So this is what the solution for the given problem. Thank you.